He comes to me like this when he's hungry. So I'll go make him some and show you how I feed him. Just set him over here for now. The other mama cat don't really like being around the other kitties, but okay. There's a can of infant formula. Let's see. I just get I don't suppose it really matters a whole lot, but I get the Parents' Choice premium 0 to 12 month can of it, and he maybe eats about 10 to 15 milliliters right now, which I have here's a syringe that I use that holds about 3 milliliters, and so he'll eat like 3 to 5 of those. Looks pretty big, but it doesn't really hold very much in it. Anyway, so takes about one scoop or less probably to make enough for him. So I'll put part of a scoop in there, and then add some water to it. Not a lot. It's just a couple of ounces really. And then stir it up or use a wire whip. I just use a wire whip. And then there it is. There's usually like some foam on top after you stir it up or whip it up. I usually just dip a paper towel in it just to remove the foam. And then we're ready to feed him here. Let me see if I can rig up a way to have the camera set up so I can feed him. Let's see here. Okay, I guess you can see him there. So stick the syringe in the bowl and pull back the plunger and let it fill up. And then usually I get a paper towel too, or some Kleenexes, and just kind of put under his chin like this, just to catch any of the spills. And then usually he'll start to bite on the syringe like this. And you kind of hold him up and tilt him back a little bit. Allows it to go to the back of his throat easier. And you see he's sucking on it there. And there's one. And here's the second one. We'll see how hungry he is. Sometimes he eats more or less. Depends on how long it's been. He's acting like he's not so hungry right now. Sometimes you might want to even force feed him, but I don't do that much unless he's really just having trouble getting the formula down. Okay, so that was 2. Here's the third one. But he's got some in his tummy, so now he's thinking he may not be as hungry right now. So usually you let him sit there for a minute or two, and then he'll want some more after that. So he's I don't know if we can see him here. Ready for some more. Let me just see here. Yeah, he's maybe. I just slowly push the plunger. If I see something starting to drip out of his mouth, then I stop. Otherwise, I try to just slowly squeeze it and let him drink it as much as he can. Okay, that was 3. And we're giving him the 4th syringe full. Starting to dribble quite a bit out. And this is number 5. So he's pretty hungry here. This is probably about as much as he usually eats at the most. He gets this 5th one down. But I think he's thinking he's full now. So that's pretty much it. And that, you know, he'll do that 3 or 4 times a day, I guess. But he seems to be staying alive that way. I haven't noticed him growing real fast, but I don't know how fast he should grow at this point. So anyway, after he eats, then it's time to put him on a heating pad or in a heating blanket, because he gets a little bit of the wet on him, and then it gets cold. He gets a little bit of the formula on him, and then it gets cold. So I'm going to go take him, and I've got a heated blanket over here. I don't know if we can see this or not. Anyway, here's a heated blanket. I just kind of create a cave for him to get in, like that. And he'll crawl around in there and get comfortable and then fall asleep. Okay, that's it.